Welcome to the Baby Cubby. Today we're going to talk about the UPPAbaby VISTA V2. This is a great stroller for those who are looking for something that's going to grow with your family. Some features we love about the UPPAbaby VISTA V2 are this zip out canopy. And if you notice, this is actually a brand new fabric. It's called the Sierra fabric. It's actually a knit fabric that has a little bit of blue and green in it to provide a little bit of texture. This is the bassinet that's going to come with the UPPAbaby VISTA V2. It also is in that Sierra fabric, the same as the stroller, with the knit fabric that has the blue and green in it to provide like a little bit more texture. The things that we love about this bassinet is it actually has a little canopy that's going to pull out for when it's on the stroller. It can provide a little bit more sun protection and then just sit right back in there. This part actually zips out. This also is approved for sleep, so your child could sleep in this overnight and you wouldn't need to buy another bassinet. The lining of this also zips out to make for really easy cleaning. Overall, the UPPAbaby VISTA V2 is going to be great whether you have one child or you're looking for a stroller that's going to grow with your family. Thanks for watching. To shop this product or any of our other products, you can shop at babycubby.com. For another video of one of our other favorite strollers, you can watch right here. And feel free to like and subscribe and let us know down in the comments what you'd like to see in our other videos. Thanks for coming.